Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how we can make wealth multiplier box. So first of all, you can see I have taken here 2-3 boxes I have. You can see box is square in shape. This is the another box, right? And now after taking the box, I have already wrapped it here with wrapping paper, and even I have decorated it. Now inside the box, I have got the mix. I have got the mirror fixed here like this. One, second, third and fourth. On all the four sides, equal side mirrors I have taken. It's not necessary that we have to cover the box like such mirrors. We can also take such small mirrors and we can place them like in any of the shape we can take. We can take circular, we can take square shape, and then we can place them like this. Suppose two mirrors I have placed here, two here, and then in the same way on the opposite side I am also going to place two mirrors, and in the same way here and then here. Okay, but here right now I have covered the box with equal shaped mirrors. Now after this we are going to place energy circles here. So as my box is a bit small, I couldn't get a bigger size box, so I'm going to place only one energy circle, right? Because for more than one, I won't be able to keep it. That is going to cover first one. So I'm going to keep only one. If you have a bit bigger, or even if your energy circle is even smaller, then you can keep one or two or more than two. It means maximum 3 energy circles you have to keep. Now after keeping the energy circle, I'm going to keep one currency, right? I have taken here 2000 rupees note and I'm going to keep it here. You can see like this. And now I'm going to keep it, as I am a Reiki practitioner, so I have already drawn one Reiki symbol, Chokure, and this Chokure I am going to add here. So this is going to increase the energy. And I also have got crystals, so I'm going to place one green aventurine, one this yellow aventurine. I'm going to place both the crystals here. So this is my energy box. This is my wealth multiplier box ready. Okay, like this. And now I'm going to show you another box. See, now this is bigger, a bit bigger in size. So after placing the mirrors, you can see here also I have got same kind of equal size mirrors. And here I have got 3 energy circles. You can see here different energy circles are here. 3 energy circles I have placed in. Now after this, again, once I'm going to put my currency here. And after placing the currency, again I'm going to add, this time I'm going to place this pyrite. This pyrite I have, I'm keeping it here, right? It's going to increase the energy. And even I have got some chips of yellow aventurine. That also I'm going to place here. Okay, and then I'm going to cover it like this, and this box also I'm going to cover like this. Now I'm going to place these boxes in the cupboard. Okay, in the cupboard, and even if it's not possible for us to keep these boxes in the cupboard, then we are going to place it anywhere outside of the cupboard. And after this, every day I'm supposed to open it. I'm supposed to pray and look at it, give the positive thought to it. Imagine that it's my wealth is increasing day by day. Now both the boxes I have made for wealth purpose. If you want to make for different purposes, that is not going to be wealth multiplier box. Here we are going to multiply. Here we are trying to multiply our wealth only, right? So that is why we are focusing on wealth, on all the things which are going to multiply our wealth. But if our focus is something else, our focus is health, our focus is studies, then we can add the things which are going to enhance, which are going to multiply those particular things. So I hope I'm very much clear here. And then every day you can show this incense stick, you can pray, you can express your gratitude, you can show your thankfulness that you are so blessed, so that it is going to work more. So this is our wealth multiplier box. Thank you.